Drones, flying cameras with no conscience. Once upon a time, the sky belonged to birds and clouds. Today, it's the playground of drones, robotic birds that don't sleep, don't chirp, and don't care if you're in your pajamas on the balcony. At first, drones were a tech dream. Wedding shoots on mountaintops, sweeping shots of beach resorts, home delivery from the skies. But in just a few years, they've turned into sky paparazzi, reluctant couriers, and sometimes anonymous spies buzzing past your window while you're eating noodles. Tech enthusiasts say drones symbolize freedom in the air. In reality, they're the reason you now consider putting up a private airspace. No-fly zone. Sign in your backyard. You go on a picnic, a drone follows. You watch the sunrise. A drone live streams it before you even get your phone out. And in the wrong hands, a drone becomes a way to share moments. No consent required. In rural areas, drones spray pesticides. In the city, they deliver bubble tea. In war zones, they offer condolences via GPS. Yes, from tech toys to airborne photographers to occasionally death from above, drones have done it all. And who controls these flying machines? Could be a 17-year-old on a rooftop. Could be a government 7,000 kilometers away. The sky isn't peaceful anymore. It just seems peaceful. Because you can't hear a camera zooming in from 100 meters up. Drones are convenient. Too bad they don't come with a conscience.